So they was saying how good was Odell Beckham, right? I'm telling my kids, in Odell Beckham prime, can't nobody see him. Nobody could see him. Bro, Odell was really doing whatever he wanted. The only way you could stop him, if you get in his head, bro. Like, other than that, he was wilding. Odell was really him. But with him and Josh Norman beefing, bro, they used to go at it. Bro was catching punt returns like this with his hands. Bro, this is like a created player on Madden that you just make with 99 speed and agility. Bro, this wasn't fair at all.